For buttermilk, milk a half cup, and white vinegar 1 teaspoon. Stir well and set aside. 2 eggs room temperature. Granulated sugar 150 grams. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Beat until foamy. Melted, salted butter 125 grams. Whisk well to combine. All-purpose flour 150 grams. Cocoa powder 1 tablespoon. Baking soda a half teaspoon. Baking powder a quarter teaspoon. Sift well. Mix it carefully, do not overmix. Add prepared buttermilk. Mix until smooth. Red food color 1 teaspoon. Mix until well combined, do not overmix. Pour batter evenly into the lined and greased pan. Bang the pan on the counter once or twice to bring up any air bubbles and preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Remove cake from the oven. Cool the cake in the pan for 15 minutes. Carefully invert the sponge onto the tea towel. Gently peel off the parchment paper. Roll and set aside. Cream cheese 200 grams. Whisk until smooth. Add whipping cream 1 cup. Beat until stiff peaks form. Once the sponge roll is cooled, gently unroll it and spread the cream cheese mixture all over the cake. Re-roll the sponge up again. Pipe some cream cheese mixture on top and fresh strawberries. Refrigerate for half an hour. Enjoy!